Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create this new text effect in Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to apps, and then we're going to type extrude. Here you have it. I'm going to select it. We're going to open. Now we're going to add whatever text we want. Okay, so here you can change the font, you can change the line height, the border width, the angle, the length, also the color. Now I'm going to change the color. You can change it to whatever color you want. Now we're going to add this to the design. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.